Hi, everyone. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're into manifestation, law of attraction, and you want to know how can you incorporate colors into your attracting whatever it is that you want, you landed on the right channel. Today, I'm going to explain how you can use colors to manifest whatever it is that you want. Now, we're talking about basic colors and what the colors can do to help pull in whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Now, before we get started, I am asking you, if you want to support this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. And if you want to join like-minded people, I'm here every Sunday morning during a live stream where you can commune with all people from all around the world. So now let's get to colors and manifestation. Now, what colors? As you know, in the law of attraction and metaphysics, colors, people, anything you do have a vibration, including the colors you're working with. You have a lot of people that love certain colors and they're not too familiar with what those colors actually mean. Now, I'm telling you, it could be what you're wearing, it could be the car you're driving, the colors in your house. All of these things have vibration and is affecting what you manifest in your life. So you might see some people that prefer to wear bright colors, okay? And these are good colors because they make you feel happy. You got other people that like to wear certain colors that are dark and it feels like they're being protected. So now let's go through the colors so that you guys can know or have a wise understanding of the colors that you're wearing and what is actually attracting into your life. Now, let's start off first with one of the colors a lot of people like to wear or have around them, and that is the color black. Now, what do I have to say about the color black? Black, just remember protection, releasing negativity, and on top of that, power. When you wear black, it's almost like you have this protection around you. It's almost like you have this extra force within you. And a lot of people wear black because it makes them feel stronger. So when you're dealing with manifestations or rituals, just know the color black is for protection, release the negativity, at the same time, it's for power. Again, the color black. Now, the next color a lot of people love to wear or carry around with them is the color white. Now, I'm using the candles because the candles are very simple for me to use to explain the colors. When we're dealing with white, we're dealing with purity. If you're doing any type of cleansing, and after you did the cleansing, like a sea salt bath or sage your home, a lot of people like to wear white or carry white or have a white home. When you go to church and you're baptized, most of the time they put you in a white gown because once you're baptized, you're coming up clean and the white represents purity. So when you're dealing with the color white, just know it represents purity. It represents cleansiness. At the same time, it is the universal color because it has all colors in it. So you can program anything that is white to use for anything, okay? So now the next color I want to explain to you is the color green. And everyone loves the color green, okay? The color green represents abundance, represents money, but at the same time, it represents healing, okay? Archangel Raphael color is green. So when you're dealing with the color green and you're having any type of health issues, this is the color to go to. It is represented by the heart chakra. At the same time, it's representing abundance and it's representing healing. So if you're trying to manifest money, cars, whatever it is you're trying to manifest, you can basically use the color green. If you're trying to manifest well-being, you can also use the color green. It is just that simple. And I'm going to tell you how to put all of these things together. Now, the next color a lot of people overlook, and it is one of my favorite colors, and that is the color orange. Now, when you're dealing with orange, it's just plain and simple. Think success. Success in school, success in business, whatever. success in anything that you want, you can always use the color orange. This is a powerful color. And again, a lot of people overlook it. Okay. So now the next color I want to speak about is the color pink. Now, this is a color also that represents the heart chakra, okay, on this side, the heart chakra. And it represents love. But the reason I use pink a lot is because it represents pure love, sincere love. So when you're dealing with relationships with your family, with your husband, with your children, this color pink will be the color I mostly would use when it comes down to love. Now, talking about pink or the color pink and love, we can then use, which I don't have it on me, we can use the color red. When we're dealing with the color red, we're dealing with also love. But this type of love is love, but it's passion. It's that fiery love. It's that love that a lot of people use the red color for. When people are looking for love, they wear the color red. They wear the color pink. But the difference between the pink and the red, pink to me is more pure love, where red could be passion, fire. And a lot of times that type of love does not last. Now, another symbol for this color, red, and it will be passion, protection, motivation. So if you see in my house, most of my vision boards in my house is on a red background because it represents that fire. It represents getting out there, doing whatever it is that you want. So when you're dealing with starting a business, going to school, whatever it is that you feel like you need that fire and you need that motivation, maybe you're trying to get a promotion at your job, the color red will be my go-to. Okay, it is just that simple. And again, I'm going to tell you guys how to put these things together. Now, the next color that I want to talk to you about is the color blue. And this is another color that a lot of people overlook. Blue is communication in all ways, everyone. Anyway, whether you're talking to your angels, communication, better communication with your family. Maybe you need better communication at your job. Whatever it is, blue represents communication. And you see here, I have a blue bracelet representing angel light, communicating with the angels. Okay. Now, another purpose of wearing and carrying the color blue, and that would be healing. This is another color besides the green that is related to healing and well-being. So if you have any problems with any type of disorder, wearing the color blue, whether it's anxiety, depression, whatever it is, blue is the color, everyone. Okay. Also, communication. Now, moving on, what other colors represent money and abundance? And hey, look, that is gold, everyone. Gold is the color for abundance, for anything that you may want to manifest in your life. Gold is represented in most all of the countries as being something representing abundance. So you can always use green or gold or both to bring in abundance. Now, another color that represents abundance, and that's a color that a lot of people overlook, and that is the color brown. Brown represents the earthly plane. What is on the earthly plane? Money, cars, houses, whatever it is that you desire. Brown represents anything on the earthly plane. It can also represent Mother Nature. If you're dealing with flowers and plants and trees or whatever it is, brown, it represents anything on the earth. So now, what other colors are we going to talk about today that I think you should know about? And that would be yellow. Yellow is the color of intuition, everyone, of getting that information. Maybe you're needing inspiration in school. Maybe you're writing a book. When you're dealing with spirituality or anything like that, yellow would be the color, you guys, because it's almost like the universe is talking to you through your gut, telling you, hey, write this. Hey, do this. Hey, start this. And this is the color yellow. Now, the next color is not overlooked, but a lot of people don't exactly know about this color, and it is the color purple. When you're dealing with the color purple, you're dealing with the higher chakras, everyone. Okay? Your third eye, your crown chakra. This is the spiritual realm. When we're dealing with learning about dreams, when we're dealing with emotions, also, you can use the color purple. Okay? But when we're dealing with spirituality, anything, out of body experiences, learning about your third eye, you can always use the purple candle. Maybe you're trying to build on your psychic ability. Maybe you're trying to be a medium. Whatever it is, purple is the color that you can go to. Now, what other color do I want to discuss before I get into a little more with you? And that would be silver. Silver also is another color dealing with your spirituality. A lot of people say, well, Yvette, silver is supposed to be for silver and gold, supposed to be for money. You know what? It can be used for money because it represents silver and gold. But the real meaning behind silver represents the unknown, represents the moon, okay, everyone? And it represents things that you may not know. Now, I just gave you the basic colors of whatever it is I think you should know. Now, how are you going to put these things together? If you're using candles, it is just that simple. You go in a store, you see a blue candle. First thing I'm going to say is either for healing or it's for communication. Bang. There you go. You go in the store, you see green. I see a green candle. I'm trying to start a business. I see a green candle. What does it mean? Bang. Business success. Okay? Just knowing your colors, everyone. Okay? I know when I see a green candle, it's either for healing or it's for success, it's for money, it's for abundance, something that's going to bring in or improve my life. When I see the color gold, okay, and this color is kind of yellow, but it's represented by the gold. Again, representing success and prosperity, everyone. It's the same thing when you're scripting and you want to use certain colors. The colors are the same, everyone. They're all the same, okay? Once you know the basic colors, you are okay. Now, when it comes down to carrying bags or wearing colors all day, again, they mean the same, you guys. If you're trying to manifest healing or money, hey, use a green bag, okay? If you're trying to get insight, intuition, guidance, use a yellow, okay? If you're trying to build your passion and get out there and create the life that you want, use a red bag. It is just that simple. Once you understand the colors, hey, look, Yvette, I'm trying to release the negativity that's within me. I'm trying to let it go. Hey, look, burn a black candle to release the negativity. If you're trying to build abundance and you say, Yvette, I want to burn a candle to bring in abundance. Hey, look, this is a knot candle. Hey, look, get a green one. Okay? So once you understand it, you can incorporate these things into what you wear, into your glasses, your crystals you wear on your arms. Again, my nephew brought me this one, and this is citrine, okay? It's like an orange, yellow, inspiration. Also, it has like a gold tint to it, bringing in abundance. Citrine is known as a money attractor, okay? Okay? When you're dealing with amethyst is dealing with your third eye and up, more spirituality. It is purple, okay? Angel light dealing with communication with the angels. As I stated before, it is blue for communication. I just gave you guys a simple tutorial on how to manifest using colors. The only thing I'm asking for you to do is to like, subscribe, tap the bell, especially if you want to know more information on how to manifest and bring things into your life. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Again, join me every Sunday morning for the live stream and commune with like-minded people. If you want to know anything about any of these products, please look in the description. Everything is there. Go to the store, buy any of these things, and again, namaste.